Hey beautiful people, and welcome to my first restaurant review. So I'm a real foodie, so I decided, you know what, I'm gonna add this new series to my channel. So guys, I'm here at the China Express in Marketplace. They have recently done some renovations, so inside is looking real good. With China Express, you have the option to dining, of course, or takeout. So once we were seated, our server got us a bottle of water. It could be room temperature or cold, your option of course. And also we got the menu, and as it relates to the menu, they're still currently using the takeout menu because they're still, in their whole renovation process. But besides that, yeah, we're gonna get into the food and what we actually ordered. So all this food just for 2 people, right? Crazy. I mean, that's what happens when you go to an authentic Chinese restaurant. You get value for your money, quality and quantity, all right? So overall, it was a great experience. There was just one thing that wasn't perfect. It was a pepper shrimp that we ordered. We expected it to be prepared different, look different, taste different. However, don't get me wrong, it was still delicious. So personally, I'm giving them 9 out of 10. Food, customer service, ambience, everything was great. So I totally recommend, so go and check them out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.